Hello and welcome. I'm Atia Khan and you're watching a special edition of E! Now as we have with us the cast of I, Me or Meh, John Abraham and Chitrangada Singh. Now, talking about the film, you guys have promoted it also really well. Some bizarre promotions, some unique promotions actually, like John taking out like few female journos for a special date where no cameras were allowed. And so how does that... And
we thought that would work.
But did it? Let's ask John.
I really use that as an excuse because I really wanted to understand what women think, especially women journalists, like what's on your mind right now.
What's on my mind, John?
Yeah, so I'll tell you.
What women want. That's the next film he's going to be doing now.
In fact, the beauty of the dinner and the conversations were that we spoke about their relationships and not mine.
Wow.
So it was me talking about, so one girl sitting next to me, her boyfriend's name on the phone was Musibat. She's saying Musibat's calling me. And I was
That
like,
is
what?
so sweet.
She's saying, yeah. I said, and why are you with him? She said, I love partying and he takes me out to parties. But look at him, he wants to know where I am all the time.
At least she's being honest.
And his
Oh
phone
my
rang.
God.
It's Musibat.
Musibat called right then. Where are you? I'm sitting with John. How did that go, by the way?
That's like big musibat.
Yeah, that's a bigger
She might have to
musibat.
change the name then.
Yes.
But Chitrangada, during interviews, I remember there was this one interview where we asked you, list one good quality of John. And you were actually speechless. You were like,
Is that right?
Yes.
But
so
why
maybe,
do you ask her that now? She'll still be speechless. Good
No,
quality.
because I'm not as good as Prachi.
But okay, let's ask you now, since it's been a week since you guys have been promoting
There's no
the film
improvement.
together.
She doesn't know
Any
any good
improvement,
qualities.
maybe one
He
quality?
doesn't give me anything to say. Oh, I think he makes a great producer, honestly. I think he does a very sincere job of it and he is very, very involved, even with this film. So
Right.
yeah, it's very assuring
No, I think,
to have someone like...
Yeah, but I think in this film, to give credit where it's due, the producers of this film, in the true sense of the word, are Goldie and Shrishti Bell. I think even if I were the actor on the film, from now on, I'd, at least post I, Me or Meh, I'd take every film into my hands and I'd start marketing it the way I did my films with Vicky Donor. Because I'm a guy who truly believes that a studio is very corporate run. Creatively, I think it's important for actors to have a larger say, and the best case in point I can give you is Mr. Amir Khan.
Right.
And I think it's very important to understand how to drive a film. I have been letting a lot of films be driven by studios, but I think it's important that we take over.
Wow, on that note, now these guys have been, doing a lot of promotional activities. So why don't we have a look?
I just wanted to ask you, does a man need so many women to evolve?
Trust me, maybe more. And they still don't evolve.
So I think that's time not so well spent. I think it's good to just find a good guy and turn him into a rascal, over time.
आप दोनों को ऐसा लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री में दो एक्ट्रेसेस फ्रेंड्स हो सकते हैं?
Of course हो सकते हैं. Only unless कल सृष्टि हमें फोन करे और बोले कि देखो मेरी फिल्म में अगली फिल्म में एक ही हीरोइन है. आप दोनों में से एक ही को लेना है, तो फिर फ्रेंडशिप खत्म हो जाएगी.
It's been a promotional overdrive this season for John, Prachi and Chitrangada, one that has seen them here, there and everywhere. The journey beginning with John recreating Sridevi's Na Jaane track, albeit with a twist.
गाने में हमने थोड़ा बहुत चेंज किया है. वहाँ पे रोज ना जाने कहाँ से आई है, इसमें ना जाने कहाँ से आया है. Usually what happens is you'll always ask me about my life, मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, etc. Now I'd like to ask you what's happening in your life also. बहुत ही open conversation रहा. It was great to understand, girls who had problems with their boyfriends or had a great time. एक लड़की वैसे भी थी जिसकी शादी अभी हुई. There's another girl who thinks her boyfriend is just like Ishan.
Even on the digital platform, this trio left no stone unturned.
This is really effective and this is the way forward. I think the next thing we'll be sitting at home and doing this. We won't even have to come here.
The girls even got their hands dirty, quite literally, turning hairstylists for a day. And John didn't miss them one bit. He had young Delhi collegians go gaga over him.
I want that girl out there to come up. How is she going to make it out here? You want to see my body?
All said and done, Friday will determine whether narcissism pays off. Entertainment Bureau, Times Now.